Well, today is a poor day, exciting day. Last minute prep going on. We've got, well, a bunch of stuff really. I'm in a ditch trying to hammer out the water line. So yeah, we got 21 cubic yards coming in, pump truck. I'm having the guys do a couple more sleeves through the foundation for me, just to have them. And hell, we'll be pushing concrete here shortly. This is the, make sure I got the key, there we go. This is our drive out. So yeah, big day today. We got the ICFs all square. Last penetration's going in now. They're going to check the corners again, and I'll be back before that happens to see where we're at. But today alone, we've got the concrete and then all of the floor trusses being delivered. So yeah, big day out here in Spring Creek Ranch. I'll give you a little view of the drive out here. It's a 17,000 acre ranch. There's 60 homes back here spread out. You know, even though I am in construction all my life, architect, project engineer, project executive, here's the ladies. Hello, ladies. Hello. Yep, go ahead. So yeah, we got a lot of wildlife up here on the ranch. It's pretty sweet. You know, even though as a project executive right now for large GC, running your own project is not easy. You know, especially off-grid up here. You know, it's difficult to get people up here. It's difficult to get materials up here. But man, when you're up here, it is just, it's beautiful. You know. All right, pump truck's getting set up. We got 3 trucks, and then my trusses are here, so it's going to be busy. Alright, 2 of the 3 is in, they're working on the 3rd. We start screeping the top of the block. Anchor bolts will go in a little bit once it starts to firm up. Looks like we're good. Nice little lift trailer. Start moving any second. Busy day today for sure. Trusses, pumping, 3 trucks. But here she is. You can see you're going to walk right in onto the main level there. Really the only level. That will be garage footer right there. We're down on native soil all the way around on the footers, kicked all the dirt to the side. We're going to do a retaining wall in here. So much work. I don't even know where to begin anymore. Size. Crawl space / basement almost, right? Pretty tall for that downhill side. Definitely going to have we've got a lot of fill around the site. We'll pick up first, knock all this back in. We're going to do a retaining wall in the front, then backfill about 4 feet, so half of that wall will be showing. Alright, I am beat. I'm done for the day. Got to drive back to the Springs. 2.5, almost 3 hours. Back up here for the weekend. All right. See ya.